to a brand new family vlog. So family, today is my daughter's birthday, 17th birthday. We are on our way trying to get her gift. Traffic here in Miami, you know. 11 o'clock and it's traffic, you know. Nobody work here, I don't know. So we're on our way to go get her gift. So stay along. I also gotta go to Walmart and I gotta go get a piece of paper at the doctor's office. So stay tuned for that. We're stuck in traffic. We should have just stayed in the damn expressway. But you know. Yeah. Okay guys, we're here seeing my daughter's gift. As you can see, we are in an adoption, ¿cómo se llama? Animal shelter. He is so cute and adorable. And we're trying to see, we probably get another one. But I'm not sure yet. So we're gonna get this one right here for sure. He's missing a leg, but he is the cutest one. So cute, he is so cute. We're gonna get him. Please stay tuned. We're probably gonna get another one. If I do get another one, then I'm gonna record it as well. So yeah. Okay guys, we are finally finished adopting a cat. He's a 3-legged cat. He is the most cutest, sweetest cat ever. I can't wait to show you guys. Oh, I did show you. What are the ones? So yeah, we finished everything, all the paperwork and everything. So later on, we were gonna get 2 cats, but we realized that we are gonna go to Disney soon, so we cannot get another cat until later on. So yeah. Guys, look at this one. He's a baby, but I think he's adopted already. I'm not sure. I'm gonna ask when the lady comes back. Oh my goodness. Guys, so we finally got the cat. I'm so excited. I can't wait for my sister to see it. My sister. My daughter to see it.
Camina más lento, no. Me va a chocar el teléfono.
Ella dice que no le abra la caja hasta que lleguemos a la casa.
Y vos se la vamos a abrir. Happy birthday to you.
No, it has to be inside. Okay, we need to talk about it first before you open it.
Ya no jodas.
No. The problem with the cat, okay, we got the cat, but there's a problem. He's missing a leg. Because remember, these are animals that they were rescued. So you need to be careful. We couldn't get a black one because they were really, all the black ones were sick. Yeah. So remember, this is a rescue shelter, so it's...
Is it a kitten?
We're going to get another cat. We were going to get 2 cats, but then we remember we were going to Disney. So we couldn't get another cat. Because 1, it's okay. But 2, I don't think people are going to want to.
I want to.
Sácalo, abrázalo. Con cuidado.
Charlie, be careful. Remember, he's not used to... Remember, he just got operated. You need to be careful. He's going to be scared for now because, remember, he's just meeting you guys. You have to give him time. Papi, go turn on the lights from the thing.
Camina.
Sí. Look at him. Estaban diciendo que no.
Sí, camina.
Oh, he does come on legs. I mean, three legs. Don't leg. What do you see?
You could set up the thing.
What are coming?
Misu. His name is Katico. Yeah. Be careful.
Don't cross him hard.
In front of the camera. In front of the camera. You could touch him, but don't get in front of the camera. Okay? You could stand right here next to Naomi. I am seasoning the meat. I already washed the meat, washed the chicken, washed the meat. I already washed the chicken and I already seasoned it. I'm not gonna show you what season, but the last thing you want to use is a little bit of cilantro, which I told my daughter to put in water, and now they're sad right now. My daughter did not listen. So what I do is I just get some from the tree and just cut little pieces. And then you just blend away. This for my daughter's birthday. It's her birthday today. Come and look at that. Come over here now. This is how the meat looks seasoned. Super good cilantro. I put some seasoning, regular seasoning. And then we're gonna do the cake that is tres leches. I'm gonna wash my hands, guys. Okay, no, that's it. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna do the cake now. The birthday cake now is gonna be sugar-free. So I want you to see what I use. I'm not gonna show myself a lot because I'm trying to put the camera for you to see how I make it. So I already used where's the damn box? Oh, oops. I already used this box. You see it says sugar-free baking. I already preset the air fryer because my oven don't want to turn on. So 350 blah blah blah. So I already put it in here. I already put the milk that I'm going to use. I need to put a little bit of oil. Let me see how much oil I need to use. Oh, a third of it. No, a 1/3. 1/3. So me imagino que it's a little bit, right? So that should be enough. Now I gotta put the egg. Let me move this out of the way. We are mixing. I don't know what's wrong with my words, lady. I need the eggs. I need 3 eggs. I want to make 3 more. I haven't put in eggs. Oh. I want to see what I'm doing. This is how it's looking. The eggs. You want these? No, that's for those people, bro. Oh. You're lucky we commute this because I would have, girl.
It's my birthday.
Just because it's your birthday doesn't mean it. Okay, so we're gonna take out the yellow. We're just gonna leave the egg yolk.
Just put one in there.
The door from the not the. I'm just gonna put one. Oh shit. Okay, let's do this one.
Fine. What's the opening?
Déjate arroz aquí. You know what? We went to some stuff. We didn't record that. We went to Walmart. We did not record that.
We went to Walmart.
Mm-hmm.
Well.
Okay, guys. So, like I was telling my daughter, if you are cooking and you clean while you cooking, you know, multitask. By the time you finish, you don't have a dirty kitchen.
The cat is eating.
Close the door.
He's eating.
Okay, guys. We're gonna close the door now. Of course he's hungry. When he's water, if you could get a bowl and put water.
Papi, don't pat him on his feet.
Yeah, Papi, leave him alone, please. Let him remember he's
Mommy. It's okay. You cut that out.
Oh, this is how it's looking, guys. Like a regular cake batter. You see, very demure, very classy. I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this step. So we're gonna get that air fryer, and we're gonna put the batter. I already had the thing in there for me. I already preheated. So we're gonna get the cake. What is this? We're gonna get the mist thing. Hey, I forgot it. I can't speak today, guys. We're gonna get the mixture and put it in there, guys. So here we go. Here goes nothing. I don't know if I should put all of it. I'm gonna put half and half. I'm gonna cook this half first, and then I'm gonna cook the other half. Okay, guys. So this is how it's looking so far. Give me a second. That's how it's looking. That's gonna be the other half that I'm going to put in here. But after this is done, so bear with me, guys. Okay, guys. So I finished the cake, sugar-free cake. This is another one my friend brought. Super cute. Super cute. Later I'm gonna show you the food. I did some fried cheese. And this is gallo pinto. Gallo pinto. What else? Where is it? Hold on. This is some guacamole. Guacamole. And we have flan. This is the birthday girl. Don't mind the mess. You know, she likes being messy.
No!
This is the birthday girl. She's gonna be 16. Oh, she's 16. She's 17.
You keep mixing up the numbers.
17. The cat is somewhere around. I don't know.
Isn't the
Here's the cat, guys. Just the cat. Don't mind the mess. But look at the cat. No, mi párate. He's cleaning himself, I guess. Mira. Imagine there's a Spanish cat like that Spanish dog. Dame la mano. Gatico. Dame la mano. One, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Natalie. Happy birthday to you. ¿Y el deseo?
¿Ya lo vio ya?
Se fue. Tenía 2 deseos, fíjate.
right there?
Ay, no.
Ya está.
A ver, cheese. No me, papi. No me. You're hiding behind your sister. Let's see your face. Hello, over here. Cheese.
Smile, Naomi.
Cheese.
Smile.
No me.
Smile. Say
No,
cheese.
Cheese, papi. Behave. 1, 2. Nani. No. Hello. Look over here. No me. Ya se fue. 1, 2. 1, 2. El amor. Ay. Papi, can you, just one time. One time. Nami, mira a mami. Papi, por favor, mi hermano.
Oh my God! Siéntate.
1, 2. Cheese. Jesus. Oh, do it slowly, okay, for the babies to get some too. Corre. No me, your butt showing them. Give some to the baby too. Ah, Luciano, tú como que perdiste ya. Ay, no. Corre. No, lo tienen que enseñar como. No. No, me give some to the little boy. Don't be stingy. Yes, you are. Ah! More no me.
Mira, Lucy, mira.
Hey!
You guys can share. Stop silly. Yay!
Nos llenamos de huevo.
Yay!
This is how I open it.
Es que te digo.
Hi, Winner.